Are you ready to land your dream job? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional CV quickly and easily, a CV that actually gets noticed. Whether you're a fresh graduate or an experienced professional, crafting a compelling CV is the first step to showcasing your skills and experience to potential employers. The easiest way to get started is by using Canva, a free online design platform. Simply open your browser, go to Canva's website, and sign up if you haven't already. Once logged in, type CV in the search bar and you'll see a wide range of templates. Browse through them and pick one that fits your personal brand and the type of job you're aiming for. Creative roles might benefit from colorful, modern designs, while corporate positions call for something clean and professional. Click Customize this template to open the design editor. Start by adding your personal information at the top, your name, phone number, and email. Then craft a concise personal statement, a short paragraph that highlights who you are, your career goals, and what value you bring. Think of it as your elevator pitch in writing. Next, list your professional experience in reverse chronological order. Focus on achievements and measurable results, not just responsibilities. For example, mention projects you led or targets you exceeded. After that, include your education, also in reverse chronological order, and then your key skills. Highlight both technical abilities and soft skills like teamwork or leadership. You can also add sections for certifications, languages, or volunteer work if relevant. Finally, review the design carefully. Ensure fonts, alignment, and colors look polished and professional. When everything looks perfect, save your CV as a PDF to keep the formatting intact. And just like that, you have a polished professional CV ready to impress employers and open doors to new opportunities. Start creating yours today and take that first step toward your next career move.